Hey guys, it's me, Fresh the Killer, back with another video. And this is actually a simple tutorial on how to make a paper airplane. I have a regular notebook, sketch pad paper. So the first thing what you're going to want to do is, I'm going to show you two types of airplanes. This one is a longer version. Sometimes they fly, sometimes they don't. What you want to do is, can we sit in the middle? Then you want to even these things, two things up right here. And sometimes you want to make perfect creases, like that. And then, I wouldn't say tricky part, but sometimes hard for some people to get it right. And you're going to want to go ahead and then just do this on both sides. Sometimes it comes out even, but it's okay. Should look like a triangle. Then what you want to do is get this part, fold these two together, and just crease it down. After that, you have this. Then you get these two parts right here. You fold these two parts down like this. It's really easy. Like I said, sometimes they don't fly. I mean, it's weird because I had made these, okay, well, should look like that after. This right here, it don't have to look like this. It should look way better. Like I said, sometimes it comes uneven, so it's okay. Like I said, I made these a whole bunch of times. Sometimes they fly, sometimes they don't. If you're a better origami or paper maker than me, then this should be easier. And I'm about to go throw this outside. I'm not gonna throw it outside, I'm just gonna throw it in here.
Well, that's just a run, buddy. Believe me, that could have been a lot worse. Where were you at the time?
Walking home. This doesn't have enough space. But yeah, this is how you make an airplane. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want me to make more videos on other things, just comment in the below. Alright, bye guys. See you later.